भाई व्हाट्सअप कैसे रिप्लेस एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले कि आप बार्ड को पूरे फुल पोटेंशियल के साथ कैसे यूज कर सकते हो एंड इफ यू यूज गूगल बार्ड इन इट्स फुल पोटेंशियल इट्स वे मोर बेटर देन GPT-3 एंड GPT-4 आई गेस एंड आई नो लाइक GPT-4 वगैरह में आप कुछ बहुत लेटेस्ट डेटा पे ट्रेन वगैरह वाली सारी चीज़ें मिल जाती है बट वहीं पे अगर बार्ड को कंपेयर करो बार्ड में कुछ ऐसी फंक्शनलिटी मिलती है जो आपको GPT वगैरह के साथ आपको बिल्कुल देखने को नहीं मिलेगी। सो गाइस इसी वीडियो में हम इसी को बात करेंगे एंड वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले आपको लाइक अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना क्योंकि इस तरह के कंटेंट मैं चैनल पर डालते रहता हूँ। बहुत सारे AML कंटेंट हो गए हैं चैनल पर जाके बिल्कुल चेकआउट कीजिएगा एंड फ्यूचर में क्या कंटेंट चाहिए मेरे को जरूर बताइएगा। सो एनीवे कम बैक टू टॉपिक ऑफ दिस वीडियो। So guys, this is Google's Bard. You need to go to this Google's. You need to go to bard.google.com/chat, and once you are here, basically you can see this UI. You are very well aware of this UI and all. Now, first of all, I'm going to show you like what this extension is. If you click on this extension, basically you can enable the Google Flights, the Google Hotel, Google Maps, workspace like Gmail, Drive, and Google Docs and all. Apart from that, you can also enable the YouTube, and you can give some examples like how locate information, break it down for me, and blah blah blah. There are lots of things are there. But let me show you like what you can do. So I'm gonna click on this new chat, and here you can click enable one prompt access or the web access. Well, how I got this, like I have installed some extension here web chat GPT which helps me to enable this kind of action across this GPT based thing like Google Bard or the Bing or the Bard. Here basically you got some extra prompts option here like where you can enable this kind of extra things. Anyway, for timing to make it just simple, I will keep disable this thing. So your UI might look like this, and this is same for everyone. So I'm going to basically use this particular UI. Okay. So I want to say basic things like I can do debug the Python code, translate this or that. Basic things I could do. Apart from that, let's see what are my top 5 latest email. Let's see whether it is able to access my emails or not. So here you can see it's saying accessing emails. Let's see. Here are top 5 latest emails. Yeah. So these are basically my top 5 emails, which is just like in brand promotion, something like that. It seems like. So yeah. So these are my basics emails. Here you can also see it directly fetch out of my Gmail only. Let me search. So basically I have given instruction properly like I'm asking to plan a trip for Udaipur in last week of December. So in last weekend, actual weekend, so in weekend it's a 30 and 31. So yeah, so it started, yeah, it's pretty much correct, like weekend start from Friday basically, from 29th of December to 31st of December. 2 adults, yeah, it definitely took the 2 adults, I don't know why. Anyway, so here are the possible day itinerary. Oh shit, here are the possible 2-day itinerary for Udaipur in the latest weekend of December. So it's started from the day 1, like morning, check in your luggage in your hotel and leave your luggage. Basically head to the city palace and the complex. Basically there are some places in Udaipur where you can take rides of that, like Pichula and other stuff is there. So it's suggesting few things to do in 2 hours or on day 1 actually. You can visit the museums and all. And day 2 again it start my plans from the morning itself. Starting with the Jagdish temple and Lord Vishnu temple, and there are some other stuff. Some garden is known for the fountain, Sehlu ki Bari. So these are basically it is recommending me to visit in 2 days plan, 2 days of plan. So here are the few hotel options in Udaipur. It's saying let me click on this, and this also let's see what it's saying. Okay, so this is directly fetching it from Google, and it is also recommending me prices, and or I can directly click on that and I can buy, or I can book this hotel from some different options like the TripAdvisor, GoIBGO, and other Booking.com. There are some options out there. So basically, it is able to fetch basically most of the thing that I want, and other things to do in Udaipur. It's also suggesting some other things that we can do in Udaipur. Anyway, let me just also ask, um, there. Let's see whether it is able to answer or the find all the hotels under 1,000 rupees or not. So yeah, so it remember the context here. You can see it remember the context. I'm talking about the Udaipur here. So in previous message I talk about Udaipur, so it is able to remember the context. And yeah, as I mentioned, like I want to find the hotels under the 1,000 rupees, and it is able to find some hotels. You can see. Let me click here. Yeah, it's under like 655 rupees. Even if you go for the website here directly, and the price should remain same. Let me open few websites here. So no, there's a little bit of change. Like I don't know, whenever the Google scrap the website, or when they hit their API, the price might be different. But yeah, it's nearly around same. Like it's near, it's suggesting some hotels which is around the around 1,000 rupees. Anyway, it is working. Okay, so now let me say need in my from my docs. So basically, a long time ago I created one document. I named it Python is all you need, and now I asked to open this document. So it is searching this document, and yeah, it has found there is two files. Python is all you need in the doc format and the PDF format. So basically, you can do these things with the help of Bard. So if you enable all these options, you can do this. And let me also search some YouTube videos. So now you can see it is able to access the YouTube, and yeah, it has recommending. Now it's recommending me some videos. So Chef Kunal Kapoor's video. So market style Indori Poha. Why it is fetching from Facebook, I don't know. But again, okay, this is the Ranveer Barat's video, and let me click on this, and I should be able. And this video is Mumbai style Kanda Poha, but Google is saying Indori style. This is wrong, Google. This is wrong. But anyway, search basically little bit of things directly from the Google Bard itself. Better than ChatGPT, because it is able to access your data. So me my calendar. Let me directly ask like whether it is able to access my calendar or not. Okay, so this guy doesn't know about the calendar. Tell me my. So I asked like again, tell me my friend's Junaid's birthday, because I have saved his birthday on Google Calendar, but now for timing it is not able to access my calendar either. So basically these are the few things that you can do with the Google Bard, and I just wanted to let you guys know like these are the available features of the Google Bard basically that you can use. People were not using it. So yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to do subscribe and also the bell icon to get notified on all of future videos. This is the best, and I'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.